What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be checking out this headphone stand. So it comes in this box, which looks pretty nice. Here we see a picture of the mouse cable being held by the holder, and the LEDs are RGB dynamic, so they change colors. So this holder is called the TN Shadow, and it's 10 inches tall and 5 inches wide, and it comes with a 5-foot braided USB cable. And here we kind of see a picture of headphones on it. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing up. So it seems to be packed very well. Go ahead and pull it out of the box. So we get a little user guide to help us understand how to use the product, a warranty card, and a couple Tilted Nation stickers. So here's our 5-foot braided USB cable. So it's a USB A type, and it's also a USB 3.0. So this is a fast data transfer capable, which is great for a hub. So our stand is in a plastic bag, and this is what it looks like. So it's quite attractive. It's got a really nice design to it. It looks like it's all made out of pretty durable plastic. And then this cable management arm here is actually rubber. Yeah, you can see it's pretty cool. It's all rubber. When you put your mouse cable through here, you want this to flex a bit as you're moving the mouse around. Very cool idea, and seems to be like it would be very practical. So we got the Tilted Nation logo on the bottom. Here it looks like we have some kind of power light, more lighting accents all around. We have a USB port here, and the blue indicates that it is 3.0. Got another one in the back and another one on the other side. So there are 3 total, 1 for connecting to the computer and then 2 plugging in like your mouse and maybe headphones. If we go to the bottom, we can see that there's rubber feet, and these are nice squishy rubber, very grippy. Here we have the logo, the model name, and some other information. By the way, the USB on the very back is labeled input, and this is where our cable will go to the computer. As we go up, it's quite thin here, and they do have a little bit of indentions here to hold the headrest of the phone so it doesn't slide off. So very clean and nice design. All right, so let's go ahead and plug in our USB cable. We're gonna go to the very back and find the plug. And as we do that, we can see the RGB lights have come on. So we got a light going all the way around, and then we have 4 little lines on each leg all around it. And then we also get a light on the very bottom. Well, that's a really nice touch. So this gives a really nice gamey vibe, and definitely would make a gaming setup even that much more cool. All right, so let's start with putting some headphones on here. And I have these gaming headphones that are called G2000. They're quite popular and they're very budget friendly. So let's go ahead and see how they fit on here. And look at that, it looks like a perfect fit. Very nice. Now these headphones also light up, and if you choose to plug it into the dock, you can. So let's go ahead and plug it in. And as I plug it in, you guys can see that our headphones are also glowing now. So we got a really cool setup here. So this combo here makes it a really nice match. And in complete darkness, this would just look amazing. So as you see, it works great for holding headphones, and it looks like it can accommodate any type or style of headphone. But let's go ahead and check out one of the main features of this holder, and it's this cable manager. So here I have a Tilted Nation Deadshot gaming mouse. So this is a really cool mouse that's made specifically for gaming. So we're gonna run our cable through the center, and depending on how much you need, for now we're gonna keep it kind of short just to demonstrate. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just snap our cable inside into this rubber little arm here, and it holds it very nicely. And it looks like it pretty much can accommodate smaller or bigger wires because of its rubber design. So we're gonna plug in the mouse into our other USB port, and this is what our setup will look like. So you guys can see a little better of how that works. So you can see as I pull on the mouse wire, it gives me kind of like a small little resistance, letting me know I'm close to my limit. So, and obviously I can add limits or subtract them as I need it by pulling the wire through. So the great thing about this is that you're not going to have your gaming mouse cable constantly getting in the way. It'll always be the right length of where you need it to where you use it. And that makes this little function here very useful, and it really cleans up the look of your setup. And by the way, guys, this mouse does light up also, and it really goes good together with the headphone stand. And so this combo here is very nice, because when you're done, you got your headphones out of the way and you got your mouse. So if you're not crazy about the RGB constantly changing colors, they do have this button here, and it's a touch sensitive one, and if you hold it, you could actually turn it off also. So let's say if this was in your room and you're going to sleep and you didn't want the light, you can turn it off. Now it does not turn off all the USB ports. You can see the headphones are still glowing and the mouse, but in any case, to turn it back on, we hold it and it comes right on, and it goes to RGB. To change the color, all you do is just tap it and you can go through the colors. So we have red, green, blue, purple, I got orangey gold, aqua blue, and white. And then we go back to RGB mode.